Hey everyone! Today, I want to share my fitness journey with you. And guess what? I did it all without following any strict diets. Now don't get me wrong. I know diet is crucial for a healthy lifestyle, but I wanted to find a way to stay fit that didn't make me dread every meal. Here's how I did it. First off, it's all about consistency. I know you've heard it a million times, but it's true. I found a workout routine that I genuinely enjoyed. For me, it was a mix of weightlifting and high-intensity interval training, or HIIT. But you should find what works best for you. Whether it's running, cycling, yoga, or dancing, the key is to love what you're doing so you stick with it. Next, let's talk about food. Instead of following a strict diet, I focused on making healthier choices. I started by cutting down on processed foods and sugary drinks. I didn't eliminate them completely though, everything in moderation, right? I also made sure to eat more fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. It's amazing how much better you feel when you fuel your body with the right stuff. One of the biggest game changers for me was learning to listen to my body. I used to think that being fit meant pushing yourself to the limit every single day. But your body needs rest and recovery just as much as it needs exercise. So, don't be afraid to take a day off when you need it. Trust me, your body will thank you. Another important aspect is setting realistic goals. When I first started, I'd set these huge, unattainable goals and then feel disappointed when I didn't reach them. So, I switched things up and began setting smaller, achievable goals. Each time I hit one, it motivated me to keep going. And lastly, find a support system. Surround yourself with people who encourage and motivate you. For me, it was my friends and family. But you can also join fitness communities online or at your local gym. Having people who believe in you makes a world of difference. So, there you have it. That's my fitness journey, no strict diets involved. Remember, everyone's journey is different. Find what works for you and stick with it. The most important thing is to enjoy the process and celebrate your progress along the way. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fitness tips and inspiration. Stay fit, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one.